Hi beautiful people. This is Kilenga Bay again with another video. As you notice, green is my favorite color and it's so good to look at. It's very therapeutic, and I am not just talking about things here, I'm talking about nature. So today we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn what this green means for your body. Green everything. So what makes them green? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green substance that makes leaves green, that facilitates absorption of sunlight and works with carbon dioxide to make nutrients for the plant. The interesting thing about chlorophyll is that it has the same molecular structure as hemoglobin. With chlorophyll, you have magnesium in the middle, while hemoglobin, you have iron. This means that chlorophyll performs the same function as hemoglobin. Green vegetables, which I like to take, are very, very beneficial for your body, especially if you suffer from sickle cell or just anyone. It restores and replenishes your red blood cells, which means you have a healthy flow of blood with a lot of oxygen circulation, which also helps in cleansing the blood from toxins like heavy metals, drug deposits, and pesticides. So if you're a very heavy consumer of drugs, of medication and drugs, and maybe these vegetables are coming from a very heavy pesticide using area or a farmer that is not organic, then the chlorophyll helps cleanse the blood. If you're suffering from anemia, it gives you more red blood cells. It helps you create more red blood cells and gives you more oxygen, and it cleanses your blood. More than cleansing your blood, it improves digestive health. It facilitates digestion by increasing intestinal flora and making sure your bowel movements are regular and they're efficient, and it removes any sloughs on the intestinal wall. It renews the intestinal wall to make sure that food being digested is not being over digested. Old food is being taken out of your digestive tract. What that helps with also is that if you have bad breath, generally BO, bad body odor, it helps cleanse your entire system from your breath, from your throat, from your intestines, and from your bloodstream. Bad breath normally comes from having poor digestive health, where food is redigested, all food is redigested, and then it goes to the bloodstream, and then it's excreted through the sweat glands and through the urine. So just a whole funk system. So chlorophyll, green vegetables help deodorize you. Chlorophyll also increases the antioxidants and essential vitamins in your body, which fight molecules that cause diseases. More than that, the alkaline nature of chlorophyll in fruits and vegetables help create an alkaline environment, which means bacteria that causes disease, that thrives in a normal acidic environment, cannot thrive in an alkaline environment. Anything that is there will not thrive, will not develop into disease. So this boosts your immunity. Over that, the oxygen and nutrients also help in the healing process internally and externally. So if your body is cleansing itself, if it's healing itself, and it's providing you with the immunity to be able to protect you against disease, it also provides the oxygen to heal you, to heal the internal wounds, external wounds. For sickle cell patients, or for any patients who have, let's say, ulcers within or outside the body, like leg ulcers, eating green fruits and vegetables helps with the healing process. It makes it very, very fast and efficient. Lastly, when I mentioned that chlorophyll has magnesium in its molecular structure, it's one of the essential minerals that is very good for bones. So people who have frequent necrosis of the bones, or weak bones, or just arthritis or osteoporosis, those kinds of problems, eating green vegetables really helps strengthen your bones. There is essential vitamin E that chlorophyll provides, which regulates and balances your hormones. It gives masculine and male testosterone and females estrogen. When you're eating a lot of green vegetables, your hormones will be balanced. You will not be off balance. You'll be able to maintain regular cycles and regular rhythms that are regular for you. Where do you get this chlorophyll, this green vegetables? Personally, I like green leafy vegetables. The darker the green, the better for me. I like spinach, kale, but mostly the traditional vegetables that are available around my area, because I believe that most nutritious sources of foods are locally grown and easily available around your area. But if you cannot find these things around your area or an organic farmer close to your area, you can buy them in markets and just look for the freshest, the most starkest. I want to mention specifically supplements. You can use these greens as well. Wheatgrass is known to have the highest availability of chlorophyll, though it just smells so bad. Another thing that I use is spirulina or chlorella. These are blue-green algae that also have a huge amount of chlorophyll that I take once or twice a week. One thing you have to note about supplements is that you need to know how often and how frequently you need to take them, because sometimes you can take supplements and it can be excessive nutrient. So what is the best option for you to do? It's to take them from nature, because I feel and I think and I know that nature, anything from nature is uniquely designed to give you the right amount of nutrients for you. So I do not advocate for supplements, but if you need supplements, consult your physician and know if you are able to do this, to take these supplements. Aside from that, if you're in a place that you can find fresh, locally sourced, organic, green leafy vegetables for people living with sickle cell like myself, that is what I recommend that you take. Avoid things that with a lot of pesticides, and make sure that you prepare them very lightly. Yeah, just a stir fry, or if you can eat them raw, eat them green foods, just incorporate them in salads, in soups, in juices, in smoothies, all these sauces, so that you can always be replenished every single day. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Let me know what else you would like to watch, what else you would like to learn from me about sickle cell or anything else, and I'll be sure to plan something around it. Thank you very much for listening and viewing. See you on the next video.